Most cruise passengers believe the cabin is safe on board. That's exactly why so many travelers make costly mistakes. Every year, passengers lock away passports, cash, medications, jewelry, and important travel documents, only to discover that the cabin safety can create problems they never saw coming. Some travelers forget valuables when they leave the ship. Others find themselves unable to access important items when they need them most. And in certain situations, the very thing meant to protect your valuables can actually put your vacation at risk. In this video, we're counting down 8 reasons experienced cruisers think twice before using the cruise ship safely. Some may surprise you, and trust me. The number 1 mistake has stranded passengers, delayed travel plans, and turned dream vacations into expensive headaches. Number 8. The safe isn't as private as you think. Most cruise passengers assume their cabin is completely private. It isn't. While cabin safes are useful for storing certain items, they're still part of the ship's property and can sometimes be accessed by authorized personnel under specific circumstances. If a safe malfunctions, a battery fails, or a passenger forgets the code, crew members may need to open it using special procedures. That doesn't mean someone is routinely accessing your belongings, but it does mean the safe isn't the impenetrable vault many passengers imagine. Experienced cruisers understand the difference between security and privacy. They use the safe for convenience, not as the sole protection for everything valuable they own. The most important travel documents and essential items often stay within easy reach rather than being locked away for the entire voyage. Key point: a cruise cabin safe can provide basic security, but it should never be viewed as your only line of protection for valuables. But privacy isn't the biggest problem with cabin safes. Because next, we're revealing how one simple mistake has caused passengers to leave the ship without some of their most important belongings. Number 7. The forgotten valuables trap. One of the biggest risks of using a cruise cabin safe isn't theft. It's forgetting what's inside. After days or even weeks on board, many passengers become so accustomed to storing valuables in the safe that they completely forget about them when it's time to leave. Disembarkation mornings are often hectic. Travelers are packing, checking schedules, arranging transportation, and rushing to meet departure times. That's exactly when mistakes happen. Experienced cruisers know that passports, cash, jewelry, spare credit cards, and important documents are among the most commonly forgotten items left behind in cruise cabins. While many lost items are eventually recovered, retrieving them after the ship has sailed can be complicated, time-consuming, and sometimes expensive. That's why seasoned travelers perform a final safe check before leaving their cabin. Every single cruise. Key point: the safest item in the world won't help you if you accidentally leave it behind. And forgotten valuables aren't the only danger hiding inside cruise cabin safes. Because next, we're revealing what happens when the safe itself suddenly stops working when you need it most. Number 6. The battery failure problem. Most cruise passengers never think about how their cabin safe works until it stops working. Many cruise cabin safes operate using electronic locks powered by internal batteries. While failures are uncommon, they do happen. A depleted battery, electronic malfunction, or keypad issue can suddenly prevent access to the contents inside. Imagine needing your passport for an immigration check, your wallet for a port visit, or your travel documents for disembarkation, and discovering the safe won't open. In most cases, crew members can resolve the issue, but that process may require maintenance personnel, verification procedures, and additional waiting time. What should have taken seconds can sometimes take much longer, especially during busy periods when many passengers need assistance. That's why experienced cruisers avoid locking away items they may need on short notice. Key point: a cabin safe is only useful if you can access it when you need it most. But mechanical problems aren't the biggest risk. Because next, we're revealing what can happen when emergency situations force passengers to leave their cabins with little warning. Number 5. Cabin access during emergencies. Most cruises are smooth, relaxing, and uneventful, but experienced cruisers prepare for the unexpected. In rare situations such as medical emergencies, security incidents, evacuation procedures, or urgent announcements, passengers may need immediate access to important documents, medications, or emergency contact information. That's where the cabin safe can become a problem. If your passport, medication, cash, travel insurance documents, or emergency information are locked away, you may find yourself rushing back to your cabin when every minute matters. While cruise emergencies are uncommon, seasoned travelers know that preparation isn't about what's likely to happen. It's about being ready if something does. That's why many experienced cruisers keep essential items easily accessible rather than locking everything inside the safe. The goal isn't convenience, it's readiness. Key point: items you may need during an emergency should remain quickly accessible, not buried behind a locked safe door. But emergency situations aren't the reason experienced cruisers are most cautious about cabin safes. Because next, we're revealing why cruise lines themselves often limit their responsibility for valuables stored inside your cabin. Quick question: do you use the cabin safely every time you cruise? Or have you ever had a problem getting something back out? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're finding these cruise safety tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. Because coming up, we're revealing why cruise lines limit liability for valuables, the passport mistake that can ruin a port day, and the one item experienced cruisers almost never lock inside the cabin safely. And trust me, the number one item could completely change how you use your cabin safely on future cruises. Number 4. Why cruise lines limit. Here's something most passengers don't discover until it's too late. Even if your valuables are stored inside the cabin safely, cruise lines often limit their liability for lost, stolen, or damaged items. The exact terms vary by cruise line, but many passenger contracts contain provisions that restrict compensation for valuables kept in your cabin. Most travelers never read these sections because they're buried deep inside the cruise contract. They assume that placing an expensive watch, jewelry, cash, or electronics inside the safe guarantees protection. Unfortunately, that's not always the case. Experienced cruisers understand that a cabin safe is designed primarily as a convenience feature, not a guarantee against every possible loss. That's why many travelers leave irreplaceable jewelry at home and carry only the valuables they truly need during the voyage. Because once something goes missing, proving value and recovering losses can be much more difficult than passengers expect. Key point: a cabin safe may provide security, but it doesn't automatically guarantee reimbursement if something goes wrong. But limited liability isn't the biggest mistake passengers make with cabin safes. Because next, we're revealing why locking away your passport can create serious problems during port days. Number 3. The passport lockup mistake. If there's one item experienced cruisers think carefully about before putting it in the cabin safe, it's their passport. Why? Because your passport isn't just a valuable document, it's often something you may need unexpectedly. During certain port visits, immigration inspections, medical situations, emergency disembarkations, or travel disruptions, passengers may be asked to present identification on short notice. If your passport is locked away in the cabin while you're already rushing to leave the ship, those extra minutes can become surprisingly stressful. Some travelers solve this by keeping their passport secured in the safe at all times. Others carry it with them in a secure travel wallet during port days. The right choice often depends on the itinerary, local requirements, and personal comfort level. The important thing is having a plan before you leave your cabin, because the last thing you want is to realize you need your passport when it's not immediately accessible. Key point: your passport is one of the few items that can instantly change from valuable to essential depending on the situation. But even passport problems aren't the biggest drawback of using a cabin safe. Because next, we're revealing how a simple port day mistake can leave passengers stranded without access to their most important belongings. Number 2. The port day access nightmare. This is the problem many cruise passengers never think about until it happens. You're off the ship, enjoying a port visit, when something unexpected goes wrong. Maybe your wallet is lost. Maybe your phone stops working. Maybe local authorities ask for identification. Or perhaps you need emergency access to a credit card, travel insurance information, or backup cash. The problem? Everything is locked inside your cabin safe, back on the ship. Experienced cruisers understand that port days create unique risks because once you leave the vessel, access to your cabin isn't always immediate. That's why many seasoned travelers carry a small amount of backup cash, identification, emergency contact information, and a secondary payment method when exploring ashore. The goal isn't carrying everything. It's making sure you're not completely dependent on items locked inside your cabin. Because travel problems rarely happen when it's convenient. Key point: never lock away every important document, payment method, or emergency resource in one place. But even a port day emergency isn't the biggest reason experienced cruisers are cautious about cabin safes. Because number one is the one item many veteran travelers refuse to lock inside under almost any circumstance. Number one, never lock away your essential medications. If experienced cruisers could give one piece of advice about cabin safes, it's this: never lock away medications you may need quickly. It sounds obvious, but every year passengers place prescription medications inside the safe for security and then discover they need them when they're not near their cabin. Maybe it's a blood pressure medication taken at a specific time. Maybe it's insulin, an inhaler, heart medication, motion sickness treatment, or an emergency prescription. The problem isn't the safe itself. The problem is access. A medication does you no good if it's locked behind a keypad while you're at the pool, enjoying dinner, attending a show, or dealing with an unexpected situation elsewhere on the ship. That's why veteran cruisers keep daily medications with them or in an easily accessible location rather than locking them away for the entire voyage. Security matters, but accessibility matters too. Key point: the one item experienced cruisers almost never lock inside the cabin safe is any medication they may need on short notice. And now you know the 8 reasons many seasoned travelers think twice before relying on the cruise cabin safe for their most important valuables. So, do you use the cabin safe on every cruise? Or did any of these risks make you rethink what you keep inside? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found these cruise safety tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more cruise secrets, travel warnings, and insider advice. Before your next sailing, check out the video on your screen now. Because sometimes the biggest cruise mistakes aren't the things you forget to bring. They're the things you lock away and can't access when you need them most.